Hello friends, welcome back to Mood Food and Motherhood. Today I'll be sharing this spicy, sweet and tangy baby corn hara masala recipe, which was a very super hit in the last party where I prepared it. And I thought I'll share it with you. I've prepared this in microwave and it takes approximately around 8 minutes to get ready. Apart from that, I'll also share with you few tips of cooking in microwave. So let's get started. And just a small request, if you like the recipes, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because subscribing is free for everyone. And thanks for watching. Let's get started. For the baby corn hara masala, we need baby corn, which I have cut and sliced into 4. And then we need around 1 cup of coriander leaves. I've washed, cleaned and chopped them roughly. I've taken the stems also. We need green chilies, add according to your taste. Then a slice of ginger, it's around 1 teaspoon of ginger if you take a paste. And we have garlic pods. I'm taking 3 pods of garlic. And juice of lime, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a medium sized onion. So we have to make a paste of the coriander and these other ingredients. This is how you have to slit the baby corn. You have to cut it into 4. So just taking the baby corn, make a slit, cut it into 2, and then you have this tender line which shows up in the inside of the baby corn. Just pass your knife through this, and this is how you have to cut the baby corn. Preparing the curry, first of all we will take around 1 teaspoon of oil in the mixing bowl, and then we will add in the paste that is prepared from coriander leaf and onion and garlic, along with the chili and ginger. And now I'll put this bowl in the microwave and cook it in high for 1 minute. So now I will put the paste in the microwave and switch on my microwave mode, which is at the highest power level. I will not change it, and set the time limit for 1 minute and start it. So now I'll just give it a quick mix. I will add in my baby corn and kind of mix it with the masala, and add in, you have to be gentle with this because your baby corns may break otherwise. So after that I need to add in around 2 tablespoons of water to this, and also I'll add the salt to it, and again a quick mix so that everything gets mixed up well. It happens, it is better if you have a flat vessel, which is microwavable. So now I will again pop it into the microwave, and this time I will set it for 6 minutes duration. So microwave again at high, and I will press this 1 minute button for around 6 minutes and start it. Now at this point, when it has reached completed around 3 minutes, so I'll just pause it for a while and then give it a quick stir So if you just give it a quick stir, so that it ensures that all are cooked evenly. And also at this point I will add in around a teaspoon of sugar, or even less. If you want, you can skip this also, or you can replace it with honey. And then squeeze in the lemon juice. And after adding the lemon juice, again you just and sugar, you just mix it well. And now I will again put it in the microwave.